How to download original quality photos from Google Photo. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download original quality photo from Google Photos. Now to do this you need to make sure to change some settings with the backup, so you have to open up a browser. You can also do this procedure from your app itself, from the Google app. So go ahead and open up your photos.google.com app. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to this field. So what you need to do is basically, as mentioned earlier, while you're backing up, you need to make sure that you've already selected original quality. So if you have not done it, so you could go to the gear icon from the top right hand side, and here you could go ahead and press on original qualities. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and make changes or tap the save button at the bottom. This way you'll have backed up your photos and videos in an original quality, and now you could download in an original quality from your Google Photos. And to download this, you open up a particular image, tap the three dot and press the download button. This way you will have successfully downloaded original quality photo from Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.